In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to comment code in Google Gemini. We'll walk through a simple, reliable workflow to turn plain code into clear, well-explained code using Gemini. And I'll share practical tips to get exactly the kind of comments you want. Start by opening Google Gemini in your browser. You'll be working in the chat interface where you can give instructions and paste your code. Keep your snippet focused on the part you want explained. If your code is long, you can work in sections to keep the responses manageable and easy to review. Next, paste your code snippet directly into the chat, or if you don't have the code handy, tell Gemini which programming language you're working with. Context helps. You might briefly describe what the code is supposed to do, the environment, or any frameworks involved. This ensures the comments align with your intent and avoid misunderstandings. Now ask Gemini to add comments explaining the code. This is where specificity pays off. Tell Gemini the level of detail you want, line by line for thorough learning, block level for readability, or a general overview if you just need a high-level guide. Mention the audience, beginner for more foundational explanations, intermediate for practical clarity, or expert for succinct technical notes. Ask for comments that are concise and clear, and if it's helpful, request best practices or warnings about pitfalls and edge cases. A sample prompt might be, please add line-by-line comments for a beginner audience. Keep explanations concise and include best practice notes or warnings where relevant. Then have Gemini generate the commented code. Ask it to return the full code with comments embedded rather than a separate narrative. This makes it easier to copy back into your editor and see each explanation in context. Finally, review and adjust the comments for clarity and accuracy. Read through the output and confirm that each comment matches the code's actual behavior. If something feels vague, ask Gemini to rewrite that part more precisely, shorten comments that are too wordy, or switch the audience level to fine-tune the tone. If the comments miss important context, provide a brief note about intent and request an update. You can also ask Gemini to highlight potential performance issues, security considerations, or readability improvements if those are important for your project. That's it. By guiding Gemini with clear instructions and refining the results, you'll produce clean, understandable, and maintainable commented code with minimal effort.